Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create folders in ChatGPT in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to create a project in ChatGPT, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To create folders in ChatGPT, first of all, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device or on your computer. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the menu icon at the top left of the screen. A sliding menu will open on the left side. Here you will see different options. Find and tap on New Project to create a new folder. A new screen will appear asking you to name your folder. Enter the name you want for your folder or project. After entering the name, tap on the Create Project button. Your new folder will now appear in the folder list in the sliding menu. You can now add chats, images, and documents into this folder to keep everything organized. You can also rename or delete the folder at any time.